Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do Marley twists, and I'm not professional, I'm not perfect at it. I mean, this is just how I've been doing it for years, ever since I started doing it, and it's how I like it, and yeah. So if you want to know how to get chunky Marley twists like these, keep on watching. Yeah, I usually just use 3 products. So the first product that I use is the Maray's Edge Wax. Basically like edge control, looks like this. Little side note, guys, I waited weeks to get this hair. Obviously back at home in New York, and like just when you're in the States, you have a local beauty supply store. Here in Germany, you don't have that, so I had to order these, which was just like crazy. But I mean, you gotta do what you have to do. And all of these things, well, except for this, I brought this from home, but all the other products I had to order online, so I had to order this. But yeah, so the edge control, and then yeah, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. It's shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar in here. It's really good. It smells so good too. And then yeah, my Eco Styler gel. This is just the argan oil one. Okay, so obviously you have your Marley twist, and I use 2 strands of Marley twist, and I mean it looks like this now, but you know, don't use it like how it is right out the package. You have to like literally like comb out the ends and like fluff it out or whatever. Just make it look like kind of your real hair when it's like brushed out or blow dried. But because I'm like reusing this, that's why it looks like obviously twisted up. But usually what I did is just like when you get out the package, you just like comb out those ends that are like together, and then I just fluffed it out. The ends look like this. It's pretty much okay. So when you start twisting, it'll like come together hair and won't look too, it has to be like strangly or whatever. I'm not good at explaining things. Anyway, so I twist my hair first, make my part and I twist it, and this is just what you get. Really not rocket science, like just part your hair and twist it. Twist. So I do the braiding method. So first thing you use is the edge control. Yeah. And you just put it around, take like this much. It's like a lot, I know. But just like, you know, slick down your part or whatever. And this is like what? I don't know. 4 days now since I've done it, so still looks pretty neat if you ask me. But yeah, that's all you do. Edge control all around there. Yeah. And then, so this was really for, like, I put some of this in my hair, also coconut oil. But this is just, you really just use a little of this. So you take some on your finger, put it exactly like where you're gonna put it at your twist, your part, and then kind of just like rub the excess like down onto the Marley twist, like so. So twist over the Marley hair, and then pull. And you have their twist hair, then you have the Marley hair. Then you're just gonna start a braid. So I'm really not good at explaining, so hopefully, I mean, if you guys can start a braid, then that's the best thing I can say. Just start a braid, and yeah, and keep pulling as you're braiding. And I'm sorry, this is not like the best camera, or probably not the best angle either. But yeah, so you just basically keep braiding and pulling braiding and pulling. You can stop wherever you like want to. I like to braid like 5-6 times down, or yeah, basically until like my hair gets into the middle. And then, so I'm just like opening it up a little bit more. And then I like take this, my hair, into the Marley hair, like so. So now it's like, you know, you have your two. Also, I forgot to mention on things you need is, what do you call these? Banana clips. Yeah, these clamp things. Put that at the root, so as you're twisting, there's no tension or whatever. It can also cause breakage and stuff. But anyway, and now it's time for your gel. I should have opened this before. I got it. Here we go. So I just keep taking gel like this size, this amount. Rub it against there, especially the piece with my hair. And then start to twist like a regular schmegler twist. I used to think I was twisting wrong. Like my twisting isn't like I don't know how to twist properly when it comes to like Marley twist and stuff like that. But after a while, I'm just like, you know what? It's clearly a regular twist. Like I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or not. Because you know how like other people's Marley twists, they come out more precise and more tighter and put together, but this is just how I've been doing mine. It's how I like it. I mean, it doesn't look bad, it doesn't look crazy, but hey. So yeah, you just keep applying the gel as you go down. That's gonna happen. And then if you want to, I started doing this. Basically just bite like here, and then you can twist the rest down. And it actually stops like more of the tension. And that's what's gonna happen when you like let go of it. It's obviously gonna bounce back into its own little form here. So here's your Marley twist. And what I did at the end, which was pretty self-explanatory, but at the end I get pretty, it's not really about being lazy, but there's like, can't really twist up at the end, like all the way at the end, because first of all my fingers are cramping up, but because of like the hair too, like you just twist it around, put more gel, and it's really gonna just stay like this. It's not gonna unravel. So just to answer some questions I feel like people might ask, how long did it take me to do this? Well, this time was, let's see, I started at like 1 and ended at like 11 in the night, but let's be realistic, I took a lot of breaks, and also the whole twisting that I did, it's a new method that I did, so I feel like that took me longer. And I only did the twisting like at this part, the front portion of my head, because that's the only part that I really care about, where it looks neat and stuff, as in the parting space. But if you want to finesse your parts in the back, please go for it, but I don't really care about the back. But I feel like that's why it took me long, but usually it's like a good 4 or 5 hours, also including breaks. But yeah, this time was just the longest. Like it just brought me back to the first time I did this, because yeah, that took me a while. I remember the first time I did this, and I stopped at like 5 a.m. and I think I started pretty late. Yeah, this is something you should do early too, just saying. Yeah, I mentioned the boiling thing. That's how I singed the ends, so that's also good. And what else? I feel like people's gonna ask. Oh, so I will link down below the Marley hair that I usually use, like back in New York, because that's more well known and stuff. This I just got off of AliExpress, but if you're like in Europe somewhere, and or a place where you're not really close to like beauty supply stores and stuff, and you'll have to order them online, I'll put the AliExpress link down also. But yeah, so this is how they're looking. Also, if you've seen these little gold things, please laugh at me. Yeah, but these are actually from the packaging. I don't know if you guys, you know when you like take out the Marley twist and you like the band, that gold thing that like holds them together. Yeah, this is what I used in my hair. I have a few more somewhere, but I think it's like in these, like whatever. It probably looks jokey looking, but I mean, it also, I don't know. But yeah, there's nowhere, like I can't get any of the accessories and like the little clamp thingies. I can't get that here, and I haven't like got like, I didn't get to order them, so that's on me. So I just like put them in there. So it's like about 5 of them. Oh yeah, I bought from the AliExpress shop, I bought 6 packs and I used 5 and like 2 strands from the 6 pack, but basically 5, like 12, 13 in each section, because I parted my hair in like 4 sections. I hope I'm not missing anything, but if you guys have any questions, or if there's something that I did forget to mention, please comment down below. Also, if you want like a style video, like how I style my Marley twist, but I feel like it's a lot of those on YouTube, so I don't know if I should still do it. And plus, I don't really do much of those styles, like the whole Mickey Mouse bun thingies. I kind of just like let my Marley twist rock naturally, like they're like dreads or something. And I just do like very minimalistic styles like this, like the half up, half down, usually sometimes without the 2 in the front, so it's just like normal, or a regular ponytail, literally leaving it straight down, whatever. But I mean, still, if you guys want a style video, I can do that. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. I know like I suck at explaining, but I do this style so much. It's a perfect protective style, and I figured like some videos, like some people don't know how to do it that way, or some people don't know how to do it this way. Maybe my way is simple and easy, I don't know, but hope it helps some people. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.